Need to track a Western Union money transfer? The Money Transfer Control Number, or MTCN, is key. It's a unique 10-digit code assigned to every transfer. You'll need this to check the status of your transfer, whether you're the sender or the receiver. To track online, go to wu.com or use the Western Union app. Log in and enter the MTCN, the sender's name, and the transfer amount. Alternatively, you can visit a Western Union agent location with your MTCN and ID, though online tracking is generally faster and more convenient. The system will display the current status: sent, available for pickup, paid, or expired. Remember to keep your MTCN secure and avoid sharing it publicly to prevent fraud. With enhanced security like biometric verification and mandatory two-factor authentication, Western Union is constantly improving the safety and transparency of its tracking process. Once you've tracked your transfer, what do the statuses mean, and what happens if there's a problem? Available means the funds are ready to be picked up or have been digitally credited. In transit is common for international transfers, typically taking a few minutes domestically or up to 24 hours globally. An expired status indicates the funds weren't claimed within the hold period, which varies by country, e.g., 90 days in the US. If funds expire, the sender can request a refund through the website, app, or at an agent location, usually requiring proof of identity. Refund processing generally takes 7 to 14 business days. Reasons for refunds include unclaimed funds or errors in transfer details. Keep in mind that transfer speeds and claim periods can vary depending on the specific service and country, so always check the details provided by Western Union at the time of sending. With the increasing shift to digital transfers, many transactions are becoming nearly instant, further streamlining the entire process.